everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this super simple and very easy Chakkara Pongali recipe. It's traditionally made during Sankranti or Dussehra festivals, and this turned out to be amazing. Now let's get into the video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel K Cooks. Hit the subscribe button down below and also the bell icon, because whenever I upload a video, you'll get all my notifications. I also have a Telugu channel where you can watch all these videos in Telugu. That's called K Cooks Telugu. Please subscribe to that as well. And do check out my Instagram, K Cooks Recipes. You'll get some amazing food photos and all the updates regarding my YouTube channels. So firstly, I'm taking 1/8 cup of moong dal in a heated pan and on low flame. Now you have to keep stirring it continuously, and once it starts turning lightly golden brown, then you can turn it off and take it out onto a plate so that it doesn't burn in the pan. Now I'm taking 3/8 cup of rice and I'm washing it very nicely. After washing, I'm mixing the dal and rice. Now it's time to add in our milk and water mixture. So here I'm adding a 3/4 cup of almond milk and 1/4 cup of water. So if you don't have milk, you can completely add with water, but adding milk gives it a very beautiful nutty taste which enhances the entire flavor of the dish. Now you can add 1 to 1.25 cups of this mixture depending on how thick your milk is. Now you can cook it on Instant Pot for 5 minutes on high or for 3 whistles if you're doing it on a pressure cooker. Now it's time to get our dry fruits ready. So in a heated pan, I'm taking some ghee, adding some dried shredded coconut and also some raisins. At this point you can also add in cashews, but I already have roasted cashews with me, so I'll add them directly. And once they turn golden brown, you can take them off onto a plate so that they don't burn in the pan. Now our dal and rice mixture is ready. So this is how it should be. It should not be completely mashed or very soft, and you should be able to differentiate between the dal and the rice. So this is the perfect consistency for Chakkara Pongali. Now it's time to get our jaggery syrup ready. So in a heated pan, I'm adding 3/4 cup of jaggery and 1/4 cup of water. Now on a medium to high flame, you want to melt this whole jaggery into this. And you have to keep continuously stirring till it becomes thick like this and till you see bubbles. So traditionally this jaggery syrup is then strained and then added to the dal and rice mixture, but I am adding dal and rice directly into this. Now on a low flame, you want to cook this until the rice absorbs the syrup completely. Now I'm adding elaichi powder of 4 cardamoms and stir it. Optionally, you can also add edible camphor to get that perfect temple style Chekkara Pongali flavor. Now I'm adding some ghee. Well, there's no limit on how much you want to add. Just add how much ever you feel like. And that's it. It's ready. Super simple, right? Garnish it with our dried coconut, raisins and also cashews, and enjoy it hot. This is personally my favorite for festivals, especially Sankranti. Wish you all a happy festival. See you all in the next video. Until then, bye bye.